Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking that virtualization is enabled in BIOS. That single change lets the hypervisor control hardware. Once done, pick the hypervisor. On Linux, use QEMU/KVM for native performance. On Windows, use Hyper-V, or choose VMware Player if you prefer. Make sure to prepare an OS ISO and a virtual disk file, and decide RAM and core allocation now so the VM boots correctly. This gets you from 0 to a ready host environment quickly and avoids reconfiguration later. You now install and configure the VM itself. On Linux, install QEMU-KVM, libvirt, and virt manager, then use virt install or the GUI to create a VM. On Windows, enable Hyper-V and use Hyper-V manager. Choose network mode, NAT for simplicity or bridged for LAN visibility, and use QCOW2 for snapshots or RAW for speed. Attach the ISO, set firmware type, UEFI if your guest needs it, and enable Virtio drivers to improve disk and network performance. These middle steps make the guest stable, and you finish by installing the guest OS, then immediately add guest tools for improved graphics and device drivers. These tools also enable clipboard, folder sharing, and better mouse integration. Once the VM runs, create a snapshot or export image and configure auto start and CPU/memory limits to prevent host issues. If something goes wrong, check virtualization is enabled in BIOS, confirm disk and firmware settings, QCOW2 vs RAW, UEFI vs legacy, and review hypervisor logs for driver or device errors. Those logs point to the exact fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.